Hi everyone, let's install WordPress in cPanel manually step by step. Well friends, I'm going to install WordPress in cPanel in these 5 simple steps. First of all, I'm going to download WordPress CMS zip file. So click this checkbox and here we are at WordPress.org, WordPress official website. I will provide the link in the video description below. Just open up your favorite browser and click that link and you will be here. Okay, once you are here, on the top right corner here you can see Get WordPress. Just click on it. And now here you can see on the bottom left corner, Download WordPress, a big blue button. Just click this button. Here you can see it is downloading. Well friends, the download is complete and here is the zip file. Now let's jump to the step 2. Here I am. Step 2. Upload WordPress to cPanel. Okay, check this box. Well friends, once you log into your cPanel, you will see this similar interface. Here we will upload our WordPress zip file using the file manager. I'm just going to scroll down until I see Files section. Here you can see Files and the first option is File Manager. I'm going to right click on it and open in a new tab. Here it is. And friends, here you can see public_HTML folder. Our website's file will go inside this folder. So I'm going to double click on this folder. And here you can see I'm inside public_HTML folder. Here it is. So now I'm going to upload our WordPress file. To upload the WordPress file here, I'm going to click upload on top. Just click upload. It opens a new window. Here you can see select file. Click on it. And here is the file. Select this and hit open. And here you can see the WordPress.zip file is uploading. Well friends, here you can see green bar. That means the file upload is complete. Now get back to File Manager and here you can see Reload button. Just click Reload. Here you can see the WordPress zip file. And right click here and you can see Extract. Just click Extract and hit Extract Files. Hit Close. And here you can see we have got a new folder that is WordPress. And I'm just going to get inside this folder. So double click on it. And here goes all the WordPress files. And here you can see select all button. Just click on it and all the files are selected. Okay friends, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit move. Here you can see move. Just click on it. And I'm going to remove this folder name. Just I want to bring all the files under public_HTML. So here you can see move files. Just hit move files. Okay. Now here you can see up on level. Just click on it. Now under the public_HTML, we have got all the WordPress files. Now you can delete this .zip file. Okay, so we could upload and extract the WordPress files. Now we are going to follow this step, create database and database user. Click here. Okay, get access to cPanel and below the files here you can see database. We are going to create our database and database user here. Okay, here you can see manage databases. Just click on it, open in a new tab. And here you can see create new database. Okay, I'm going to name the database. Try to set a difficult name for database and hit create database. And I'm going to copy this database name. And I'm going to save on a document. Here it is. Okay, click go back. Now scroll down and here you can see database user, add new user. I'm going to name it something difficult. And here you can see password. I'm going to generate password and I'm going to copy this password. and save the password first. Okay, I have checked this button, use password, hit create user, and here you can see this is our database user. Okay, now click go back. Okay, now we are done with this step, and now we are going to follow step number 4, add DB user to database. Okay, click the checkbox, go back here and scroll down. Here you can see add user to database. Okay, we have only one database, only one user, so those are selected. Just hit add button and check all the privileges, uncheck this drop and hit make changes. Okay, we could successfully complete this step. Now it's our time to install WordPress. Okay, so to install WordPress, what I will have to do, I will have to access the domain name, our domain name. Okay, so once we access the domain name, just hit reload and you will see this WordPress setup wizard. First of all, we need to select the language. By default, English is selected and I'm going to hit continue. And it says we need database name, database username, database password, but we have everything already. Okay, hit let's go. And now we are going to enter all the details we have got right now. Here we are. Okay, here we are. We have all the information here. Just I'm going to copy the database name. I'm going to paste here, copy the database username, copy the password. You can see the password. Okay, here you can see table prefix. Well, friends, I recommend you to add something here to boost the security, to harden the security. Just any random 2 letters or 3 letters. And finally hit submit. Okay, here we are. All right. Now we need to hit the run installation script. So hit this button, click here. Okay, fine. What is our site title? Dev site. And friends, here will be the username. Try to keep very hard username. Okay, save this data. Save the password. We will need this to access our website. Enter your email and finally hit install WordPress button. And congratulations, we could successfully install WordPress. It's excellent, absolutely beautiful. Now we are going to access our website. I'm going to access it here. Okay, here it is. This is our website. We could successfully install WordPress. Well, friends, if we want to log into the dashboard, how will we do that? Just enter a /, hit wp-admin, and we'll see something like this. And here we are going to enter these details. This is the username. Do you remember? This is the password. Hit login. Okay, here it is. This is the dashboard of WordPress. We could successfully install WordPress. Well friends, if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you will get more advanced videos like this. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.